to my channel. So in today's video, I'm bringing you more of a spring vibe makeup look. I'm dealing with yellows and orange matte eyeshadows. So if you would like to see how I created this spring vibe, just continue to watch. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So let's get started. The Juvia's Place concealer in shade number 13 just to prime my eyelids. Wet down beauty blender just to blend out the concealer. First palette I'm using is Proceed with Caution, Shayla Times Colourpop, and I'm taking Culture, which is this matte light brown eyeshadow shade, and just apply it in my crease area. Blend it out. To deepen up my transition color, I'm taking Colourpop at Forest Sight, mustard yellow type of color. This one is just applied in my crease area. It have hints of yellow. It's a little bit dark too. Focus and keep this below my crease. Okay, so to deepen up the outer corner area, I'm taking this kind of like a reddish burnt orange matte eyeshadow and just apply it in my crease area and the outer corner area. Just like to pack it on in the outer corner and then lightly fluff it in the crease. This orange matte eyeshadow, place it in my crease and outer corner. NYX glitter primer and just apply it on my eyelid. Juvia's Place palette, and I'm taking this matte yellow eyeshadow and just apply it on my lid area. To clean up the outer corner area to make sure everything is flowing together, taking this orange eyeshadow just to clean up the center in the outer corner area, placing this orange eyeshadow right here. This eyeshadow color right here that I applied original on my outer corner and just clean it up. So for eyeliner, I'm using Hard Candy Liquid Black Eyeliner. So for corrector, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Corrector in orange underneath my eye, around my mouth area. For primer, I'm using a Fenty Pro Fill Instant Retouch Primer. For foundation, I'm using Fenty Beauty Hydrating Longwear Foundation in the shade 420. So for contour, I'm using a Fenty Matchstick Cream Contour in shade Espresso. Same foundation brush and just blend out the contour. This is definitely one of my favorite contour cream. And it's so creamy and it blends out. It's so easy. Look at that. Too Faced Born This Way concealer in Butterscotch and Kevin Aquan concealer in SX12. Brush that I'm using is MAC 195 brush. And taking the Too Faced Born This Way concealer and just apply it on top of the Kevin Aquan. Blend out my chin area first. And I like to take the bottom of the Beauty Blender, just stipple it out the concealer, so that way my foundation and my concealer is blended together, so that way you don't see any demarcation between my concealer and the foundation. Always, I'm taking the Laura Mercier setting powder in Honey just to set my concealer. To set my foundation, I'm using a MAC Mineralize Skin Finish in Dark Deep. Okay, for bronzer, I'm using Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Cocoa Naughty. And I'm almost hitting pan on this one, so I definitely need to restock up on this one. Contour my nose using the same contour or bronzer. For blush, I'm using MAC Coppertone blush, which is kind of like a muted brownish. It's very natural and subtle. It's a very pretty blush. Yeah, so it's very pretty, very natural. For highlighter, I'm using the Bobbi Brown highlighter. I'm taking this color right here, which is called Nectar Glow. Is the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil Infinite Sand, which is a nude matte pencil. And Colourpop Shayla Lipstick in Slow Down, which is a nude peachy satin lipstick. To finish off my face, I'm using Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I'm using Fenty Beauty Hot Chocolate Lip Gloss. Yeah, this is so much better. Okay, Okay guys, so this pretty much completes my look. I did create it more of a daytime wearable matte yellow eyeshadow look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you guys in the next video.